Hello everyone. Today I am sharing a simple salmon dip, perfect for an appetizer, snack, or to add to your charcuterie board. However you display this tasty snack, it will surely be a delight. Here is a snapshot of the ingredients you will need. Guys, it doesn't get any simpler than dumping all the ingredients into a processor and mixing. I have a block of cream cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream, diced onions. Now, if you don't like onions, you can substitute that for onion powder. I have some diced garlic that I'm going to add to the mix. To spice things up a bit, we're going to add some cayenne pepper, and we're only going to use a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Before we get everything all mixed up, we're going to add some ranch seasonings. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning. These 2 tablespoons are equivalent to 1 envelope of the ranch packet. Now we're going to get everything all blended together, and we're going to give it a taste and make sure the flavor is where you want it. My flavor is perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and add our salmon. And I have a 4-ounce pack of salmon. And I'm going to go ahead and drain the water off of my salmon. And we're going to add that to our mix. Once you add the salmon, you do not want to blend. You just pulse to mix. You want some lumps of the salmon still present. This is what you're looking for. We still have some lumps of the salmon. Once I have plated my dip, I like to add some green onions for presentation right on top, followed by some paprika for color. Then we're going to place this into the refrigerator for a couple of hours before serving. However, I am going to show you how I present this dip, and we're going to give it a taste before we go. Guys, this is the way I like to present this dip. I use English cucumbers, just cut them into rounds, and I also have some sourdough pita crackers. These are just two of the items that I like to use with my dip. Toast points are also good. You could just take some French bread and put some olive oil on there and toast them in the oven a bit and put those on your board. Very, very good. So, yes, just use this recipe as a guide and come up with your own creative ideas. I also like celery with this dip. Okay, guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video and you find it informative and it has inspired you to want to try this salmon dip. And also try it with smoked salmon. I think I just have regular salmon in this particular recipe, but smoked salmon absolutely would elevate this recipe. So I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Happy dipping!